Hey guys, it's a new day and we've got new opportunities for crypto. There are so many cryptos in the market, but it is important to research well and make your decision before investing. So let's talk about Dent. We hope this video would help you to understand more about this particular crypto. Also, if you do like this video, then please consider giving us a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this, along with dinging that notification bell so you never miss another content update from us. Crypto is now witnessing a boom period. As we see every day, various recent coins like Doge and Shiba Inu are enjoying their recent growth. The same can be said for Dent. At the time of this video, the coin is trading at 65 thousandths of a cent, showing a surge of 17% in the last 24 hours. Okay, so let's just talk about Dent first to make sure all of us are on the same page here. What Dent is a data exchange platform that was created on the Ethereum blockchain network. However, Dent has no significant network like other cryptocurrencies. Rather, it allows the users of Dent to purchase mobile data. Not only that, they can also share data of their own according through a system of the platform, and intelligent contracts which operate on the Ethereum network are then used for storing that data. This recent and unique system aims to develop a society of people who use mobile phones and smartphones. The Dent project creators started this venue with the aim of positively impacting the provision of mobile services. This was to help ensure that the future services rendered by Dent would be in a much better situation than it currently is. This is why several people are buying Dent to add to their cryptocurrency wallets. And in fact, the Dent exchange is the first marketplace powered by blockchain technology where people can sell Telco assets. The Dent marketplace represents a significant and different innovation and a global exchange powered by blockchain, and the Dent token is used for every transaction on the crypto market. The Dent platform has a Dent mobile app that can be installed on mobile devices through which you can buy and sell mobile data to just about anyone in the world. It is available for both Android and iOS devices. Buying telco assets on the Dent app requires a Dent token instead of fiat currency, and therefore the Dent exchange platform is very much like a cryptocurrency exchange in its mode of operation. Through Dent, its users are also allowed to sell off their mobile data packages to other network users. According to its sources, the inspiration for Dent came up after Cisco released a study that disclosed that $32 billion worth of data is purchased, but 15% always seems to remain dormant. Calculations tell us that $4.8 billion worth of data remains unused. Dent creators had aimed to provide a network that makes every telecom industry all over the world much more competent and inexpensive at the same time. We can assure you that the Dent project does hope to make the global telecommunications industry much more efficient and less expensive. Here are a list of some of the essential things that Dent is trying to solve. First of all, there's mobile data release. Dent has the potential to become the world currency for mobile data. Users will send Dent tokens to telecom providers in exchange for data. The project will also allow a data sharing economy where users can freely buy, sell, and transfer mobile data from one user to the next. Secondly, there is the elimination of international roaming charges. The Dent project facilitates the removal of data roaming cost drivers, such as expensive routing costs between telecommunications service providers. This is mainly achieved through automated mobile data purchases, to which we will come to next. Thirdly, they've automated mobile data purchases at the best price. Lastly, Dent does allow users to automate the purchase of data packages for consumers and IoT devices. Users would always be able to get the best price from the suitable operator in the region without worrying about buying too much or too little data. But what's the catch? There's always got to be a catch, right? Well, the long-term goal of its developers is to influence mobile operators. It involves improving the conditions for using mobile traffic and optimizing service packages. In fact, the Dent platform does create the requirements for the decentralization of this particular market segment so that users get the opportunity to independently determine the priority services for themselves, forming their own data package. Now, let's look at some predictions and understand the market a little bit better because we have to get us an idea around about how Dent could reach $1 in the future. But Before we go ahead into the prices, know that the market of cryptocurrency is highly volatile, and probably by the time you watch this video, the prices could have switched to a whole new value. So be assured of that, and having said that, let's get into the price predictions for the future. According to sources, in December 2021, the price will go up to 4,114 10,000th of a cent. In 2022, the price won't change a lot, just 4,632 10,000th of a cent. In 2023, the price of Dent will slightly go up and reach 5,042 10,000th of a cent. The price of Dent in 2022 will be at least 238 hundredths of a cent. And as per the forecast and algorithmic analysis, the price of one Dent will be around 592 hundredths of a cent in 2025. According to Trading Beasts, the daily Dent price prediction for 2022 to 2023 is forecasted to reach 3,667 10,000ths of a cent by the beginning of September 2020. The expected maximum price is 4,735 10,000ths of a cent, a minimum price of 3,199 10,000ths of a cent, and the Dent price prediction for the end of the month is 3,764 10,000ths of a cent. Now, let's move on to some long-term predictions. Number 1, there is the Wallet Investor Dent crypto price prediction for 2021 through 2025. Dent is a lousy long-term maximum one-year investment. The price of Dent may drop 165 10,000ths of a cent to 13 millionth of a cent. The change will be negative 92.36%, and Dent potentially has its market environment making a bearish cycle for the last 12 months. In 2022, the price will go back down to 12 100,000th of a cent, and in 2023, the Dent coin will go to the point of 6 millionth of a cent. In 2024 through 2025, the price will probably recover to 1900,000th of a cent. Number 2, the crypto rating Dent coin price forecast for the next 5 years. Dent was intended as a great disappointment for investors in 2019. The Dent price went up from 1 millionth of a cent on January 1st, 2019 to 164 10,000th of a cent on December 31st, 2019. However, it is worth monitoring the Dent price prediction algorithm. Dent could have long-term investment potentials. If you look for a long return in 3 to 5 years, Dent might be the coin to watch closely. Number 3, crypto ground Dent price prediction. Based on the data, it can be predicted that it is profitable to invest in Dent for the long term. The technical analysis using the algorithm states that the price of Dent will not decrease or drop and fall in the long term. Number 4, digital coin price forecast of Dent for 2020 through 2025. They're saying that Dent is a profitable investment and its price will go up in the future. The price of one Dent can roughly be up to 48,568 10,000th of a cent in 1 year, a 3 times nearly from the current Dent price. In 2022, the price of Dent will reach 57,560 10,000th of a cent and will reach 63,523 10,000th of a cent by 2025. Lastly, number 5, the forecast for Dent token's price for 5 years by Digital Coin. Back in 2020, Digital Coin considered Dent to be a good idea for an investment, as it was predicted to be a lucrative investment. Even if the coin price changed before the year ended, Dent was expected to rise again in the future. The price of a Dent was estimated roughly to lie at 48,580 10,000th of a cent in 2021. This was 3 times the Dent price in 2020. It was then predicted to reach 57,506 10,000th of a cent by the year 2022, and then rise to 63,523 10,000th of a cent when 2025 draws to a close. With a rapid increase in value from 2020 to 2021, they have changed their prediction and now forecast that the price of Dent will reach nearly 1 cent by the end of 2021, and they also predict that it will close by 2 cents by 2025 and will be almost worth 3 cents by 2028. Next up, price prediction for the next 10 years from Celo currency. Toward the end of 2021, the price of Dent can be around 182 10,000th of a cent, and in 2022, the price will slightly go up to 2 10,000th of a cent. By 2025, the rate of Dent won't change a whole lot, just 266 10,000th of a cent. So, we can gather a few things from these predictions. If something drastic happens in the market, there is a possibility of Dent gaining immense value and reaching a whole dollar, but as we have seen in many cases, you never know with cryptocurrency. It's a highly volatile market and one that can never be precisely predicted. The coin does have the potential to be the next big thing in the crypto universe. Furthermore, as far as crossing that $1 mark, it is a destination that's very far away. Dent coins could touch $1, but it's going to take a very long time, as the current analytics suggest. Dent is currently trading at 65 thousandths of a cent, which is very low for an all-time high of 1.4 cents. But you never know, a miracle could happen, just kind of like in the case of Dogecoin. Alright guys, well that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more content, and also ding that notification bell if you want to see more content just like this. Also, let us know in the comment section down below what your thoughts about Dent are. And until next time folks, we'll see you later.